Hi, my name is Ryan and you are watching my YouTube series on functional programming. In the previous video, I talked about a container. I defined a simple container that stored your data, and this is exactly the code we saw. In this video, I'm going to enhance the container by adding a function called as a map. And if you remember one of the previous videos, I said a map is a function which takes an argument and applies a transformation. So a map is a function which takes an argument, which is a transformation, and a transformation function. It applies this transformation function to the data in a container. So we're going to do const new data and apply transformation to the data in a container and returns a wrapped response. So I have container dot of new data. I have defined a very small transformation function over here called as add2. So what I can do here is I can do container dot of 10. So once I have this data in a container, I can now run the map function on this, and I can say apply the transformation of add2 to my data. And if I want to see how this is going to work, we're going to do const result is equal to this and console.log result. And I'm expecting the value of 12. And as you can see, my data is 12. The other thing you want to notice is you can actually break this down. So you can say result1, which is container of 10, and const result2 is equal to result1 dot map add2. I can print result1 and I can print result2, and I'm going to clear my console here by Control K. And as you can see, we have two different containers here. The first container is intact with its original data. The second container is a brand new container. As you can see, you are transforming the data and returning a new container with the new data. And this is the basic story of a map function. We can actually simplify this by simply saying container dot of do this, and there you go. So I'm creating a new container of the result of running the transformation function, and that is what a map function does.